What if the secret to safeguarding your most vital organ, the tireless pump that sustains your very existence, wasn't hidden in a complex medical procedure or a cutting-edge pharmaceutical, but readily available in the simple, vibrant foods you choose to eat every single day? Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on three unsung heroes of the culinary world, often dismissed as mere ingredients, but in reality, powerful allies in your quest for a strong, resilient heart. We're talking about scientifically backed superfoods that don't just taste good, but actively work to lower your risk of heart disease, improve your cholesterol, tame inflammation, and keep your cardiovascular system humming. This isn't just about nutrition, it's about empowerment, giving you the knowledge to truly nourish your heart from the inside out and potentially add years of healthy, vibrant life. In a world brimming with health fads and conflicting dietary advice, the quest for optimal well-being often feels like navigating a dense jungle. We're constantly bombarded with headlines proclaiming the next miracle ingredient, only to find it debunked months later. When it comes to heart health, the stakes are incredibly high. Heart disease remains the leading cause of death globally, a silent epidemic that touches countless lives. Yet, amidst the complexity of medical interventions and pharmaceutical solutions, a powerful truth often gets overlooked: the profound impact of what we put on our plates. Food isn't just fuel, it's information for our cells, a complex symphony of nutrients that can either build up or break down our health. The term, superfood, itself can sometimes be misleading, conjuring images of exotic, expensive ingredients. But the real magic lies not in rarity, but in density, nutrient density, that is. These aren't just foods, they are nature's pharmaceuticals, brimming with compounds specifically tailored to protect, repair, and optimize your cardiovascular system. We're going to strip away the hype and focus on three accessible, delicious, and scientifically validated powerhouses that, when incorporated regularly into your diet, can dramatically shift the trajectory of your heart health. This is about practical, actionable science that empowers you to make a tangible difference. Let's dive into our first heart health superstar, oats. Yes, plain, humble oats. You might be thinking, oats? That's it? I thought we were talking superfoods. And that's precisely the twist. The true power often lies in the understated, the everyday, rather than the exotic. Oats are not just a comforting breakfast, they're a nutritional powerhouse, particularly for your heart. Their secret weapon? A unique type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan. Imagine your arteries as pipes. Over time, bad cholesterol, specifically LDL cholesterol, can begin to stick to the walls of these pipes, forming plaque that narrows them and makes them stiff. This is the insidious process of atherosclerosis, the root cause of many heart problems. Beta-glucan from oats acts like a gentle, internal scrub brush. When you consume oats, this soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in your digestive tract. As it moves through your system, it effectively binds to dietary cholesterol and bile acids, which are made from cholesterol, in your small intestine. By binding to them, beta-glucan prevents these cholesterol-laden compounds from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Instead, they are simply escorted out of your body as waste. This clever mechanism forces your liver to pull more cholesterol from your blood to make new bile acids, thereby actively lowering your circulating LDL cholesterol levels. But the brilliance of oats doesn't stop there. This beta-glucan also has a profound impact on blood sugar control. Because it slows down digestion and the absorption of carbohydrates, oats help prevent sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar. Stable blood sugar is crucial for heart health, as chronic high blood sugar can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of inflammation, a key player in heart disease. The payoff? By including oats regularly, you're not just managing cholesterol, you're also providing a steady energy release, preventing those post-meal slumps, and protecting your delicate vascular system from the damaging effects of glucose fluctuations. Furthermore, the fiber in oats contributes to satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer, which can aid in weight management, another critical factor for heart health. So, whether it's oatmeal for breakfast, adding oat flour to baking, or incorporating oats into smoothies, this simple grain delivers complex, profound benefits for your cardiovascular system. Our second heart health champion might surprise you because it's often associated with flavor rather than fundamental health: garlic. Yes, the pungent bulb that forms the base of countless cuisines worldwide. For centuries, garlic has been revered in traditional medicine for its purported healing properties, and modern science is increasingly validating these ancient claims, particularly concerning heart health. The true twist with garlic lies in its unique sulfur-containing compounds, most notably allicin. When garlic cloves are crushed, chopped, or chewed, allicin is formed. This compound is incredibly potent and responsible for much of garlic's therapeutic effects. Think of allicin as a tiny, yet mighty, vascular guardian. How does it work its magic? Firstly, garlic has been shown to have a significant impact on blood pressure. Allicin and other compounds in garlic can stimulate the production of nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide is a powerful vasodilator, meaning it helps to relax and widen blood vessels. When blood vessels relax, blood flows more freely, reducing the pressure against the arterial walls. This can lead to a measurable reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, a crucial step in preventing hypertension, a major risk factor for heart disease. The payoff is that something as simple as incorporating more garlic into your daily meals can contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, potentially reducing your reliance on pharmaceutical interventions down the line. Secondly, garlic plays a role in cholesterol management, similar to oats but through a different mechanism. While not as potent as soluble fiber, some studies suggest that garlic can help lower total and LDL cholesterol, and may even modestly increase beneficial HDL cholesterol. The compounds in garlic may interfere with cholesterol synthesis in the liver, or enhance its excretion. But perhaps one of garlic's most profound benefits for heart health comes from its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is now understood to be a central driver of atherosclerosis. It's the underlying fire that allows plaque to build up and become unstable. Garlic's rich array of antioxidants helps to neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting your blood vessels from oxidative damage, which is another key contributor to plaque formation. By reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, garlic acts as a protective shield for your arteries, keeping them supple and healthy. The sheer versatility of garlic, fresh, roasted, in powders or supplements, though fresh is often best for allicin formation, makes it an easy and delicious addition to almost any savory dish, transforming your meals into heart-healthy powerhouses. Now, for our third and perhaps most visually stunning heart health superstar, berries. Think vibrant blueberries, luscious strawberries, tart raspberries, and plump blackberries. These aren't just sweet treats, they're tiny powerhouses of cardiovascular protection. The crucial twist here is their incredible concentration of anthocyanins and other powerful polyphenols. These are the compounds responsible for the vibrant red, blue, and purple hues of berries, and they are potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. Imagine your heart and blood vessels constantly facing a barrage of stress from everyday living, pollution, processed foods, emotional stress. This stress generates harmful molecules called free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to inflammation and the hardening of arteries. Anthocyanins and other polyphenols in berries act like microscopic superheroes, sweeping in to neutralize these free radicals, thereby protecting your cardiovascular cells from oxidative damage. This is critically important because oxidative stress is a major contributor to endothelial dysfunction, damage to the delicate inner lining of your blood vessels, which is an early and crucial step in the development of atherosclerosis. The payoff? By regularly consuming berries, you're essentially building a robust antioxidant defense system around your heart and arteries, shielding them from harm. Beyond their antioxidant prowess, berries also contribute significantly to blood pressure regulation. Some research suggests that the regular consumption of anthocyanin-rich berries can lead to modest but meaningful reductions in blood pressure. This is likely due to their ability to enhance nitric oxide production, similar to garlic, and their anti-inflammatory effects that improve blood vessel function. Furthermore, the fiber content in berries also plays a supportive role in heart health by helping to manage cholesterol and promote satiety. The versatility of berries is another advantage: fresh, frozen, which retains most of their nutritional value, in smoothies, on oatmeal, in salads, or as a simple snack. Incorporating a handful of mixed berries into your daily diet is a delicious and effortless way to flood your system with heart protective compounds. The profound truth, the ultimate payoff, is that these three superfoods, oats, garlic, and berries, aren't isolated miracle cures. Their power is amplified when they are part of a broader, whole foods-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, and low in processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy trans fats. They are synergistic elements in a larger orchestra of healthy eating. The twist is that by consistently choosing these simple, accessible foods, you're not just eating for today. You're investing in a lifetime of heart health, creating an internal environment that actively resists disease and promotes vitality. This is about making small, sustainable changes that compound into monumental health benefits over time. It's about proactive prevention, empowering your body to be its own best defense against cardiovascular disease. Are you ready to truly nourish your heart, not with fleeting fads, but with the proven power of nature's best? Start incorporating oats, garlic, and berries into your meals today. Begin with a bowl of berry-topped oatmeal for breakfast, add garlic to your savory dishes, and discover how delicious and easy heart-healthy eating can be. Your heart works tirelessly for you every second of every day.